Day, happy birthday. So, magluluto lang ako. Ma, say hi.
Hi!
Ibigin ka. So, it's Wednesday. Na-skip ko yung Tuesday. Nakalimutan ko na nagdi-daily vlog ako, pero I'll try na maglagay ng clip ng ginawa namin nung Tuesday. But it's Wednesday. Meron akong audit today. Hala, nagda-dry lips ko. Finally here. One day. Mark this. Pickup truck. Here he is. Friday na. Just out for dinner. Bili ako sa doon. Tapos bibili din ako ng chicken. Because I deserve it. Thanks, ate.
Dala ko yung kami ni Luisa.
Baka matapon to.
9-8 na po.
Thank you. Oh, isa lang ng chocolate. Walang discount pag fresh.
Ano sir, blessing na daw yung sir.
Ay.
Walang discount.
Paano pag maganda? Eh, hindi. Dapat may discount yung mga ganda. Sayang kasi yung ganda ko, hindi ko masyadong nagagamit.
Bakit hindi mo kasi ginagamit sir?
Gusto kayo naniniwala ka. Maraming salamat. Ito pala yung lasa nito.
Pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar. So, lahat na ng parameters.
Hindi ko gusto yung red wine.
Yung red wine vinegar.
I just got home from my Friday shift. Thank you so much guys for reaching this far. This week has been a very long week. Nung Lunes, birthday ng ate ko. Tuesday, audit, part siya ng schedule ko. Pero very hectic, sobrang adulting. It can be tiring. But I'm just happy na natapos na lahat ng deliverables ko. Actually, hindi pa. Baka may pasok pa ako tomorrow. Adulting talaga siya. I'm doing this weekly vlog. I'm fairly new to it. Pinagkakasya ko yung isang buong linggo sa 3 minutes. I hope you support me there, pati rin sa weekend vlogs ko, bukod pa yun sa travel vlogs ko. Please show me some support. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you would like me to do things, puntahang kainan, just comment it at the comment section. Maraming salamat po. Till the next video.